Jo telo mowuok e kaunti ma Garissa obago ng'anyo matwak e yore mag tieko midhiero marowere kadho e machalo kaka nok mar tije kod tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji. Romoni nobagi dweche machuok bang' moko kuom rowere monjo jodak johala gi pale boma Garissa kendo kwalo mwandugi. Jotelogo wacho ni gigeto jiwo rowere odonji kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo mondo konygi e dongruok maggi. Gikwayo bende bad migepe mag arita mondo rakre gi ohala mar yedhe mamero ji mondo oduok chien njore e gwengego.
ليس بينكم وبينه ترجمان. Peace is a very elusive issue. تخاطر له دياري. بوديما أي. كل بلش حالي حرمته من top إلى هوس نسرائيل.
By the census of 2019, the population of Garissa is 841,000. Every year we're adding more than 30,000 people to the population. Almost right now we're talking about 1 million people. And out of that 1 million people, 84% of the population is below the age of 35 years. So it's a large population that are youthful population and who are below the age of 34 years. Majority of them, again, below the age of 15 years. So the dependence ratio of Garissa County is more than 90%. The poverty rate is 64.5%. 60% of the population in this county, especially the youth, are not going to school.
We have a lot of opportunities in terms of sponsorship, both the county government, the CDF, banks, foundations who are sponsoring young people to go for this training. And hopefully we'll have that happening. Young people who are consuming drugs are now again a threat to our security and our society. So we hopefully that out of these talks and this conversation and this conference, we will have addressed that issue as well.
This kongamano hii kazi yake ni kuleta mikakati ya vile vijana hao wanaweza kupata kazi, kupunguza uhalifu ambayo iko katika